In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the April gold futures, which did finish lower today, but also had its first positive week in the last 5, finishing up 1.8% after having been up 3.25% this week. So it was a big pullback. Today, the high 2174.70 was only up 17 basis points, so less than 0.2%. But on the low, 2034, we were actually down 1.30%, and we finished today down a little bit more than 0.8% lower. Gold has still not filled the gap from January 26th to January 29th, but the small bounce off the low price today showed some decent buy-side strength around 2040. We don't know if that'll hold up long term, but it did today. In terms of demand for gold, the World Gold Council, the WGC, is reporting that total gold demand hit a record last year and is expected to rise again in 2024. And this is with a weaker Chinese economy in all of last year. India led, the US was second, and China is expected to come back in 2024, and that could be part of the basis for this prediction. It also could be part of the reason that gold has held up well above this 2000 level over the recent last few weeks, regardless of whether rates went up or down or whether the dollar strengthened or weakened. And speaking of rates and the dollar, yields jumped today and the dollar spiked after today's non-farm payroll report, which weighed on gold and is part of the reason we got the sell-off today. The dollar had its strongest one-day move on a percentage basis in the aggregate since February 3rd of 2023, and the 2-year ended the day up 9 basis points, the 5-year up double digits, the 10-year up double digits, and the 30-year up double digits. So a strong reaction to non-farm on the yield side of things, and the dollar responded as well, weighing on gold and helping it finish negative on the day.